Now, your KSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Gina DeVecchio.
Happy weekend, everyone. We're looking at sunshine. Look at all that sun behind me. Now, some areas are seeing some cloud cover. We had some low clouds, in fact, around Monterey earlier, but as that sun is up, it is going to burn through any of that fog that we have. So we're starting to see some clearer conditions to start. Monterey, 42 degrees right now, a little bit of a breeze coming in from the southeast, and we are going to be seeing anywhere that has that little breeze a little bit cooler. So wind making it feel chillier. So you're going to want that coat early and throughout the day as well. Now, high surf warning for, I corrected the title, it's for tomorrow evening through Tuesday evening. And there you can see that for our coastlines, especially areas that are faced towards the northwest. That's where the swell is going to be the strongest, long period. And that means that these waves can come very large and catch you off guard. So if you are spending time at the coast for tomorrow into Tuesday, beware of that and never, ever, ever turn your back to the ocean. I know it's pretty, but keep looking at it and make sure you're protected. As for our other concerns, wind advisory for tonight, late tonight into early tomorrow. Now, gusty winds are going to be expected in those higher elevations, and unfortunately, we are still very dry. Yes, we received over 3 inches in parts of the Santa Cruz Mountains at those higher elevations with our last system a couple of weeks ago, but many spots are still very dry. Some areas have only received about 1/4 of an inch of rainfall, so that's another concern, these dry brush across the area. Now, red flag warning for eastern parts of the Bay Area as well as the Santa Cruz Mountains. That's for late tonight into tomorrow, perhaps going to be extended into Tuesday as we're still going to see those breezy and gusty conditions. Until then, that could lead to power outages, so that's a concern. Also down power lines that we are going to possibly see leading to a fire. Hope not. Good news, it's not too warm. Right now we're a little bit warmer than where we were last night in some areas. Temperatures right now in the 30s to 40s, 42 for Aptos, 39 Watsonville. Taking a look at the State View, 21 in Lake Tahoe. Yesterday that was in the teens, so I guess a little less chilly. 47 by the afternoon up there, 70s down south, so they're dealing with the Santa Ana winds and that warmth. And you know what? For tomorrow into Tuesday, looks like those dry winds could warm us up as well. So this system coming through, that's going to shove that dry air right into our region. It is going to bring warmer conditions, but it is going to be a dry system. Then you see it goes down south, picks up moisture from the Pacific Ocean, and then could bring some rainfall to the southwest and Mexico, which would be a good thing. They need that as well. Let's continue this just to give you a little bit of hope as we go into next weekend. This is a long ways out, but one of these models is showing that we could be right on the cusp of another weather system that could bring us some rainfall late next weekend into early next week. So that's what we are going to be watching for our hope of any mid-month rainfall. As for today, upper 50s to 60s, mid to upper 60s for some of the warmer spots in our valleys, and then upper 50s for our cooler ocean communities. We do have that impact sign for late tonight into tomorrow because of that wind advisory. So that's mainly for the Santa Cruz Mountains and those higher elevations. Could get gusty tonight, and temperatures are going to be cool for your overnights and pretty pleasant for the afternoon.
We don't want gusty, we want wet.
I know. You know, I had a dream last night that front yesterday brought heavy rain.
Okay.
No one was mad at me that I got it wrong. It was wonderful.
I'm sure.
But unfortunately, that didn't come true.
Dang it. All right. Well, though. All right, Gina, thank you.